बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस का लेसन नंबर 2। सो वीडियो को कंप्लीट वॉच कीजिएगा क्योंकि ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल होने वाली है। तो चलिए जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। मैं नहीं समझता। इन सिंपल इंग्लिश वी से आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। I don't understand, but in advanced English we say I don't get it. I don't get it. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. In simple English we say I don't have money, but in advanced English we say I am broke. I am broke. खामोश रहो. In simple English we say keep quiet. Keep quiet. But in advanced English we say zip your lips. Zip your lips. वक्त ज़ाया करना बंद करो. Stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. But in advanced English we say stop faffing around. Stop faffing around. मैं थोड़ा मसरूफ हूँ. In simple English we say I am bit busy. I am bit busy, but in advanced English we say I am bit tied up. I am bit tied up. वहीं रुक जाओ. In simple English we say stop right there. Stop right there. But in advanced English we say stay put. Stay put. एहतियात से. Be careful. Be careful. But in advanced English we say watch out. Watch out. मुझसे एक बड़ी गलती हो गई. I made a big mistake. I made a big mistake. But in advanced English we say I screwed up. I screwed up. तुम मुझे हंसाते हो. You make me laugh. You make me laugh. But in advanced English we say you crack me up. You crack me up. Next is वो बहुत खूबसूरत है. She is so beautiful. She is so beautiful. But in advanced English we say she is drop dead gorgeous. She is drop dead gorgeous. मैं नहीं जानता. I don't know. I don't know. But in advanced English it is I am not certain. I am not certain. हाथ मत लगाओ. Don't touch. Don't touch. But in advanced English we say hands off. Hands off. क्या तुम खौफज़दा हो? Are you afraid? Are you afraid? But in advanced English we say are you terrified? Are you terrified? फिर से करो. Start again. Start again. But in advanced English it is start over. Start over. मैं सुन रहा हूँ. I am listening. I am listening. But in advanced English we say I am all ears. I am all ears. मुत्तमईन रहो. Be satisfied. Be satisfied. But in advanced English it is be content. Be content. जल्दी वापस आओ. Come back quickly. Come back quickly. But in advanced English we say hurry back. Hurry back. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. But in advanced English it is I am off to bed. I am off to bed. आहिस्ता करो. Do it slow. Do it slow. But in advanced English it is go slow. Go slow. Last sentence is चलो शुरू करें. Let's start. let's start. But in advanced English we say let's kick off. Let's kick off.